guys, and welcome back to Family of Toy Collectors. Today, I wanted to make a quick video to show you this My Little Pony Cutie Mark Magic collection, and this is the Princess Twilight Sparkle and Friends mini collection. This is the exclusive set that you can only find at Walmart. Here's a look at the box. In the back. So these are the same ponies, or most of these are the same ponies that you can find in the Cutie Mark Magic blind bags. And some of these are exclusive to just this set. So let's open it up and take a look. There we go. Okay, so the first one we have is Rainbow Dash. How many of you are Rainbow Dash fans? Have Silver Spoon, and Silver Spoon is exclusive to this set. Rainbow Dash you can find in the blind bags. Silver Spoon comes with these little glasses she can wear on her head. Next up, she won't come out. Come on. There she goes. That was tough. Okay, so next up we have Princess Twilight Sparkle. And she's my favorite. She's so pretty with her purple and pink. And you can find this Princess Twilight Sparkle in the blind bags. Okay guys, let me go ahead and take all these out of the package. That way it'll be easier for me to show you. And I'll be right back. Okay guys, let me tell you, that was not easy to get those out of there. They really make sure they got them in there tight. Okay, so next up we have Rarity. I love Rarity's hair. You can find Rarity in the blind bags. Up next, we have Diamond Tiara. Diamond Tiara is an exclusive to the Walmart pack. She looks really sweet here. Up next is Princess Cadance. Princess Cadance is another exclusive. You cannot find her in the blind bags. She's so pretty. Up next, we have Shining Armor. has such a pretty blue mane. Put him here, Princess Cadance. Up next is Applejack. Oops, and I forgot to tell you guys, Shining Armor is an exclusive to the Wal-Mart set. You cannot find him in the blind bags. Applejack you can find in the blind bags. Next we have Fluttershy. A so beautiful Fluttershy. She's just so pretty. And then the last one in the pack was Pinkie Pie. Both Fluttershy and Pinkie Pie can be found in the blind bags. I love Pinkie Pie's hair. It's so cute and curly. Okay, now I also want to show you guys what I have so far for my Cutie Mark Magic collection from the blind bags. I don't have all of them, I'm still trying to collect them, but I will show you the ones I do have. Up first I have Twilight Sparkle, or Princess Twilight Sparkle, and this is the Cutie Mark Magic one, so she's covered with cutie marks, and she's so pretty. She's got cutie marks all over her wings. And then up next, we have another Pinkie Pie. And this Pinkie Pie is the Cutie Mark Magic one. So she has cutie marks all over. And her hair is different. And I love, love, love her hair. Isn't she so pretty? You guys tell me down in the comments, who is your favorite pony? Twilight Sparkle and Pinkie Pie are my two faves. And then up next is my third favorite, Fluttershy. And this is the very same Fluttershy that you could get in the exclusive set. So she is a duplicate. Up next we have Applejack. And once again, this is the same Applejack. Oops, I knocked over Pinkie. Sorry, Pinkie. Here we go. This is the same Applejack that you can get in the set. And then up next, we have Rainbow Dash. This Rainbow Dash is the Cutie Mark Magic one, so she is covered in her cutie marks. Doesn't that look awesome? She even has them on her wings. So here's the regular Rainbow Dash. I really like those ones. Up next we have Rarity. The same Rarity that came in the set. I noticed her cutie mark looks a little bit darker on the one I got in the blind bag than the one in the set. It's the only real difference I see though. Everything else is the same. And then up next, we have, this is Bumble Sweet. She is made from the same mold as Pinkie Pie. Has the same very cute curly hair. And I just love bumblebees. And then we have Sweetie Blue. She has a cute little cupcake as a cutie mark. Sweetie Blue is made from the same mold as Applejack. And here is Lucky Squirrel. And I just recently got her, and she's so pretty. Up next, we have Minty. I love Minty's colors. I love the pinks and the greens. They go really well together. She's also made from Applejack's mold. I'm running out of room. Up next, we have Fizzy Pop. Was also made from Pinkie Pie's mold. Squeeze in. And here is Sweet Cream Scoops. She's very bright and colorful. Her cutie mark is an ice cream cone. Yum! Okay, these last two that I have are not from the blind bags, but they are from the Target exclusive set. And I don't have the entire set with me right now, but I can show you these two. This first one is Princess Celestia, and she is so, so pretty. Another one of my faves. I just love her hair. It's so bright and colorful. Then up last, we have Princess Luna. Such a pretty purple color. And both of these were exclusives from Target. Okay guys, well that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, go ahead and hit the big thumbs up button down below. And comment down below and tell me which one of these ponies was your favorite. Mine has to be Twilight Sparkle from the blind bag and from the exclusive set. I also really liked that we got Princess Cadance and Shining Armor from the exclusive set. And my Pinkie Pies, of course. Okay, and if you haven't already, subscribe so you can come back and see more videos like these. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.